Welcome to the battlefield of Mobile Legends, warrior! I, Layla, will be your guide, and I vow to fight alongside you. Move the left joystick to control my movement. Enemy incoming! Eliminate them! Tap the attack button. Tap here to learn. Hit the enemy with... A huge wave of minions is approaching. Bring them down. Upgrade available. Tap here. Enemy Balmond spotted. Defeat him.
First blood.
Now that I've leveled up to level 3, you can tap here to upgrade and enhance my skill. That was impressive. We've gained. Tap here to buy equipment directly. I feel stronger than ever. Let's move on, shall we? Careful, a turret can deal massive damage to me. Let's work with our minions to take it down.
Destroy the turret!
Awesome! Now we've reached level 4. Tap. Enemy Alice is here. Take her down. Here to buy equipment directly. The enemy base is up ahead. Destroy the crystal and we win!